in 1836, when the Constitution of the state of Texas was drafted and adopted, this fundamental right to a jury trial, to put the right to vote about liberty, about life and death, about freedom and restraint in the hands of 12 citizens, your peers, people in your community. That's why the Constitution of the United States of America and the state of Texas are so important. That's why the right to vote is so important. And the jury trial is where the right to vote is really where the Constitution, where the rubber hits the road, right? That right to vote, that God-given right to vote, that inalienable right to vote about life, death, liberty, freedom is given to 12 citizens to sit in judgment of a fellow citizen accused of a crime. So from this jury panel, you're going to pick and impanel 12. And you've got to question this jury panel about things like bias. Where would they start out? You've got to talk to them. You've got to educate them about the burdens of proof. And you can't gloss over it. You can't make light of it. You have to emphasize how important of it, the importance of the burden of proof, right? And I like to educate the jury. A great trial attorney I know, Ben Massar, helped me with this image, but it's like a ladder, right? It's like a ladder. And if you can use that image either with an image of a ladder, but a ladder has steps, and those steps allow the jury to understand that at the lowest step is your reasonable suspicion, right? So what does that mean? Driving at night, headlights out, right? Reasonable suspicion. Driving at night, taillights out. Reasonable suspicion, there's a moving violation. Let's see what's going on with that vehicle. Stop, window goes down, smell alcohol. Law enforcement officer smells alcohol or sees something else, smells marijuana, sees drug paraphernalia, any number of things, right? Swerving on the highway, right? And then the stop proceeds, right? Now there's probable cause, right? I see a person walking around a very, very nice mall in the summertime with a jacket and a ski mask on, right? There's probable cause to think that person might not be up to some good. They might be up to no good, in fact. So that's the next step on that ladder, right? Reasonable suspicion, probable cause. The step after that is the civil burden of proof. And the most famous example of the difference between those burdens of proof is the O.J. Simpson trial, probably the one that's most indelible in the memory of our nation, especially since the very, very excellently done docudrama came out of here.